Welcome to another powerhouse video straight from the rugged world of Interkat SA Quarry, where the earth truly trembles under the might of heavy machinery. Today we're bringing you an incredible sight. Two absolute beasts of the construction world. The Caterpillar 390D and Cat 352F excavators, working in perfect coordination to load massive Mercedes-Benz and MAN trucks in just 2 passes. This is not just excavation, this is precision mining at its best. As the video begins, you can see the Cat 390D excavator dominating the scene. With its huge bucket capacity and unmatched hydraulic power, it easily scoops up tons of material in one swing. The 390D is known for its reliability, efficiency, and raw strength, a machine that's made for serious production. Working beside it is the Cat 352F, another high-performing excavator that's compact yet extremely powerful. The way these two machines synchronize their movements is a true example of engineering excellence and professional operation. The Mercedes and MAN 4-axle dump trucks in this operation are built to handle heavy loads, and they do so effortlessly. Watch closely as each truck gets filled in just 2 passes. That's the mark of a high-output mining setup. Every scoop is precise, no wasted motion, no idle time. The operators behind these machines are not just workers. They're skilled experts who understand timing, control, and balance like a finely tuned orchestra. The Caterpillar 390D comes with a massive 7 cubic meter bucket, capable of lifting over 40 tons in a single load. Meanwhile, the Cat T352F, with its smart hydraulic system and advanced fuel-saving technology, ensures continuous digging without compromising on power. Together, these machines create a flawless system, the 390D handling the heavier overburden, while the 352F manages precision loading. This combination not only improves speed, but also reduces fuel usage and machine wear. One of the most fascinating parts of this quarry operation is its efficiency management. Interkat SA's crew plans every step, from truck positioning to excavator swing radius to ensure zero downtime. Each movement is calculated and every second counts. This is how real-world mining professionals maximize productivity. If you pay attention to the terrain, you'll notice the hard, rocky layers being handled with ease by these machines. That's the power of CAT engineering. These excavators are designed for harsh environments, capable of withstanding extreme pressure and heat, while keeping operator comfort in check with advanced cabin insulation and smooth hydraulic response. Let's talk about facts and performance for a moment. The CAT 390D uses a C18 ACERT engine producing over 523 horsepower, making it a true monster for mass excavation. The CAT 352F runs on a C13 ACERT engine with around 443 horsepower, optimized for speed and accuracy. Both excavators are equipped with CAT's latest hydraulic technology, giving operators unmatched control, even when dealing with uneven terrain. Fuel efficiency and maintenance cost reduction are key factors, why quarries like Interkat SA prefer these models for continuous, long-hour operations. The Mercedes-Benz Arocs and MAN TGS dump trucks you see are specially modified for quarry duty. With reinforced suspensions and high-torque engines, these trucks are the backbone of transport efficiency. The loading precision, just 2 bucket passes, means less waiting time and faster turnaround, keeping the site workflow seamless. From an engineering perspective, what you're witnessing is the perfect blend of power, timing, and technology. Excavation might look simple, but at this level, it's pure science. Every movement optimized, every drop of diesel justified, every ton of material accounted for. As the dust settles and the trucks roll away, what remains is the sheer satisfaction of flawless teamwork between man and machine. This is what makes Interkat SA one of the top-performing quarry operators. It's not just about moving earth. It's about doing it efficiently, safely, and smartly. So next time you see a Caterpillar machine in action, remember, behind every bucket of material, there's planning, precision, and passion. These aren't just machines. They're the heartbeat of the construction and mining world. If you enjoyed watching these mighty CAT excavators in action, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real mining and heavy equipment videos. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Which machine impressed you the most, the 390D or the 352F? Stay tuned for more raw, powerful, and educational content from the world of mega earth-moving operations. Till then, keep digging, keep learning, and keep enjoying the power of engineering in motion.